Hey everybody, welcome back to the vlog. Today is an exciting day. I received the harnesses for the harness bar that we installed a few videos back. So we're going to go ahead and install those today. It's a pretty easy installation, shouldn't take you too long. So come on with me and let's get this done. So as you can see, I've taken the seat out of the Pioneer. You're going to need three tools essentially. You need a 16 millimeter ratchet, a 50 Torx head, and then you have the third tool, which is optional, and that's going to be a T10 Torx. So let's go ahead, take a look at what it's going to look like. Here they are. So I got 50 caliber racing 4-point harnesses. I picked these because they have a couple of options I liked. I liked the very nice padding on the shoulders. Another thing I liked is they can be bolted in or wrapped around the bar. Some 2-inch harnesses have this piece right here where it's sewn into the harness itself, and I didn't want to have to cut a harness. And then I also like the blue color. So when you do your harnesses, it's going to wrap around this bar. If you notice, there's a specific wrap here. And what this wrap does is essentially locks the harness into the bar. And you don't size your harnesses off the bar. If you go ahead and come down here, there is another adjustable strap here. And then obviously your quick release. So in order to install the harnesses, what we need to do on the passenger side is remove the seat belt, top and bottom, and then the other half. We'll bolt the base in to the factory bolts, put a little blue Loctite on there and torque them down, and we will put the seat belts away for a later date. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the bottom. First one is off. So now that I've gotten the seatbelt out, there's a silver spacer I'm going to take out. I'll hold on to it, and I will replace it with a bracket here. I'm going to keep this piece in just so I don't lose it. So now I got it in here. Because if you look, they're about the same. This piece is a little thinner. And right back into the hole. Okay, so I went ahead and finished up the harness bar. I sized up the harness for me. I obviously can't size up the second one for my wife. She's not here right now. I put everything back together, so let me show you the final product. So I got my harness bar wrapped around there, and it sits in there very nice. These 50 caliber harnesses are very nice. I opted not to do the seatbelt override because I have kids. So for now, I'll just go ahead, I'll buy a blank, or I'll use the center seat belt. I did leave all the factory hardware and factory seat belts in so that it's nice and easy to return it to stock. I don't lose any of the pieces. So the harness bar and harnesses are way overkill for most people's needs. This is a sport utility machine. The emphasis is on utility. The harnesses are great if you're out to rock crawl, go to the dunes, do stuff that's kind of extreme, that you want a little bit more security than the 3-point seat belts. I left all the stock hardware in mine, but you can take yours out. So if you like the video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell me what you think in the comments below, and until next time.